Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the Pixel 9a ready. Charge above 20% and confirm camera permissions so the app runs reliably. Once done, clean the lens and hold the phone with a 3/4 grip to reduce shake. Why? Because stabilization only helps if you're steady. Open the camera app and pick photo mode. Make sure it's 1x for general framing or 2x for tighter composition. From here, frame your subject using the grid if you want level horizons, and tap to focus. Now you refine exposure and focus. Tap the subject to lock focus and then drag the exposure slider to balance highlights and shadows. You do this because automatic meterings can underexpose or blow out details. If light is low, switch to night sight. For people, choose portrait. For close detail, use macro. Once done, enable HDR for high contrast scenes and motion settings when things move. This preserves detail and reduces blur. Make small adjustments and reframe between shots to get the look you want. Finish by capturing and validating your image. Press the shutter gently or use the volume button to avoid camera shake. You'll want to review immediately to check focus and exposure. Use Edit to crop, adjust exposure, or run Magic Eraser to remove distractions because small fixes save retakes. If images are blurry, increase ISO slightly, enable burst mode for multiple frames, or stabilize with a mini tripod. This solves most movement and low light issues. If nothing helps,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.